Up till now, if you're using Google Chrome and you had several tabs open, and unfortunately one of them was playing audio, whether it's via a video or just an audio file, but you're busy working on a different website, on a different tab, Google does let you know that, yes, there is audio playing. But from here, you can't do anything to quiet that tab unless you go back to the tab and mute that audio and stop the video. That may not be what you want to do. You may be busy working on something and all of a sudden an audio or video file started playing in the background. You don't really want to leave what you're working on, but right now you're forced to do so. That's all changed once Chrome 100 was released, because there's now a way to set it up so that you can, from the browser tab, shut up the audio. Let me show you how that's done.
To furry friends. Because good sleep.
Once you've updated to Chrome 100 and your browser is open, open a new tab, and in here, in the address bar, type Chrome:///flags. Once you've typed that in there, hit the enter button. It opens this up, and in the search bar for the flags, type mute. Again, hit enter. Once this opens, you'll see tab audio muting UI control. Click the down arrow and select enable. It'll ask you to relaunch the browser. Let's do that. Now let's go back to that site where we had the video in the back with audio. Let me start this back up again.
Improving your health.
Go back to the page that I originally had open and was working on. And yes, you can hear the audio in the background. But now you can go up here and click on this, and it will turn off that audio on the other tab. You haven't left the page you're looking at or working on, but you've been able to now mute the audio that's playing in the other tab. If it's music and you want to listen to it again, even though you're on a different tab, just go ahead and start it up again by clicking on that little icon. And you're back to hearing the background music. So you can turn it off and on at will without ever leaving the tab that you're actually concentrating on. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. And let me shut that off. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.